Welcome guys, how are you today in this Friday evening? Today we will speak about Agoric project. The way how we can build fast and earn fast. If not, let's speak about Agoric. Onboarding the next 10 million blockchain developers, and the hardest thing the scale in blockchain is developers, and Agoric is uniquely positioned to tap into the 10 plus million JavaScript developers across the world by enabling smart contract to be built in a hardened version of JavaScript. This results in faster development times, fewer errors, and more efficient development practices. An open crypto ecosystem. The Agoric ecosystem has two tokens, BLD and RUN. Only the BLD token is available for purchase in the COINLIST token sale that will already announce it, and you can participate. Whitelist is already opened and will be open until 26th of December. The BLD staking token secures the network and is used for governance. The next token, the RUN token, is a stable token used to execute chain services, example gas, implement smart contract on chain, and support cross-chain activity. The tokens serve as separate purpose in order to prioritize network security and scale the ecosystem. What we have in general, rapid app development with smart contract components, like the React and Node.js platforms. The Agoric platform and chain enables developers to rapidly build and deploy dApps, including DEX, OTC desks, and NFT marketplace, by leveraging third-party components. The smart contract components are audited, battle-tested, and can be quickly imported like any standard NPM node package manager install. This saves developers time and resources and prevents re-entrancy attacks and other common smart contract bugs. What's further? Unlocking cross-chain assets also. For example, with the inter-blockchain protocol IBC enabled on Egoric, a project can utilize Egoric small contracts with the native cross-chain functionality. This opens the doors to cross-chain liquidity, providing users and business with extensive commerce opportunities. And generally speaking, in collaboration with the Cosmos interchain community, the Agoric team supported IBS development through launch. So, answering the question why we earn faster, the Agoric give us three answers. For example, it's market services, easy access to liquidity and DeFi services, including treasure vaults, governance, and the automated market maker. The second one is cross-chain assets, for example, bring assets from the Cosmos and Ethereum networks directly to your project, and world of users and opportunity at your fingertips. And the third one is resource management. Agoric components help keep your focus on building your application, not on a complex protocol integration and third-party code. Speaking about public chain, where market participants bid to have their transactions confirmed by validators, stakers delegate their native staking tokens to validators to incentivize the correct execution of transactions, and the rewards for securing the network. Technical partners of this project is Chainlink, IBC, and the MetaMask. Roadmap to launch. Now we are waiting for mainnet phase 0 soft launch, and finally we are waiting for testnet phase 5 adversarial. All the next step will be done next year. What else? Here on the main website we can read a recent publication, but let's speak about IDO that will happen on COINLIST in 2 days. Well, Egoric JavaScript smart contract registration deadline December 26 at midnight UTC. So you as a participator will have two options. Options 1 December 29 at 18 UTC and option 2 December 29 to at 23 UTC. So if you want to participate, you can join and register right now. You have only 2 days to participate. So we discussed all the advantages about Agoric. There is no any sense to repeat it. So key highlights: it's staking rewards, run fee distribution, and get run. What does get run mean? BLD stakers can log their staked BLD to receive run. Everything is clear here, and if you want to get more information, you can look through this information on the CoinList. Read about integrated ecosystems through the run protocol and fee to DeFi, regulated smart contracts, insurance. So what else? Let's speak about sale options. Assets. Options 1 is BLD tokens, Cosmos. Options 2 the same. Fixed sale price 80 cents per token, and options 2 65 cents per token. The time the almost exactly, but on the second options we have additional 5 hours to participate. So sale period will be open until January 5th and closed at the same time, midnight UTC. Purchase limit $100 to $1,000 in both options. Funding methods, whatever you want. If you can contribute in more than 6 cryptocurrency, I suppose it's really great for us. So what else? Funding methods I mentioned already. Lockup and releases. Token unlock 6 months after the set date on around June 29 the next year, followed by a 12 months linear release. And the options 2 token unlock around November by a 12 months linear release. So note, in both options, locked tokens may be staked. BLD tokens received from staking are unlocked. So what else? Token supply distributions. Let's speak about token distribution and release schedule. Network decentralization segment. The first is 70%. Foundation 12.5%. Community ecosystem 5.5%. Co-contribution 80.6%, advisors only 3%, early breakers 11.4%, and for early breakers presupposed 12 months cliff starting on November and followed by a 12 months linear unlock. Operations 12.5%, liquid as of distributions date on the 1st November this year. Private sale 2-year lockup, 12 months cliff starting on November 2. Private sales 4-year lockup, and public sales goes 7%. See sales structure above. BLD token circulation by months. So the full amount of token will circulate in the system of Agoric only after 48 months since the IDO will happen. So couple words about early bakers. There are lots of famous name. It's Polychain Capital, for example. It's Compound, Chorus. What else? DAO Maker, Metastable, Rockway, Interchain, and etc. They have a quite big community, 16,000 followers in a Twitter, newsletters, readers, Discord members, and so on. But to tell you the truth, it's not so big community for such substantial and interesting project, but still. So global advocates, I don't know what does it mean. Russian, Turkey, India, Singapore, tech stack, run protocol, and etc. So a couple words about roadmap again. mainnet phase. Agoric chain is live. It's the first quarter of this year, and the next quarter mainnet phase 1 run protocol launching, then mainnet phase 2 permissioned smart contract, and mainnet phase 3 permissionless smart contracts. Well guys, let's summarize our short review. Today we spoke about Egoric, and there are at least 4 main advantages. It's the first one is onboarding the next 10 million blockchain developers. The second one, an open crypto ecosystem with 2 tokens, BLD and RUN tokens. The next one is rapid dev development with smart contract components, and finally unlocking cross-chain assets. So also give us a wide range of opportunities to use this project, to invest in this project, and to try to understand how this project will change all the things connected with JavaScript developing and etc. Thank you very much for being with us today. I hope this short review was really helpful for you, and you have 2 days to participate in this project. Whitelist is still open, and the launching of the project will happen on 26th of December. Hurry up if you want to participate, and do your own research and stay in a profitable mode. Okay, have a nice time. Bye.